So after doing a lot of research, I picked up a DJI refurbished Mini 2, the one with the Accusync transmission, and it's got it from Drone Nerds, which is an authorized DJI dealer. Got all this stuff in it. I purchased one of these. It's like a Pelican case, but it's not. It's Apache. But this was about 44 bucks at Harbor Freight, and you just plop this down, kind of outline around it, and then you just pull these guys out, so you end up with a nice snug fit. And I'm going to be getting some more batteries, so I'm going to put some batteries right here. I have all the little junk here. I want to keep it as kind of clutter free as possible, but this is a really nice heavy duty case, and I'll show you some footage of my first flight I've ever done with it. I was really surprised at never having flown a drone before, other than a little toy one that immediately flew into the trees. This thing flies like a dream. It's so easy. And my Samsung Galaxy S8 accepted the DJI app with no problem, and yeah, everything just worked really well. So I'll show you some footage real quick.